Have you ever opened a file on your phone and wish you could see a quick summary of it later without opening it again? Fortunately, on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the My Files app can actually show AI-generated summaries for some files. This feature is called Show File Summaries, and it allows your phone to display short summary for certain type of files directly inside the My Files app. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the My Files app. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Now find the option called Show File Summaries and turn it on. Once this option is enabled, your phone can display short AI-powered summaries for PDF files, TXT files, and voice recording that already have summaries. To see how it works, open the folder where you have PDF, text file, or voice recording. For PDF and TXT files, you need to open the file at least once. This allows the phone to read the content and generate a short summary using on-device AI. After that, when you go back to the folder in My Files, you will see a short summary displayed below the file name. For voice recording, it works a little differently. The summary must already exist inside the voice recorder app. Here, for example, here there are two voice recording. The first one does not have a summary yet, so My Files only shows the file name without any summary. But the second one already has a summary created in the voice recorder app, so My Files automatically display the summary under the file name. So the key difference is that My Files doesn't create summaries for recording itself. It only displays summaries that were already generated in the voice recorder app. This feature is very helpful because after you open a file once, My Files can show a short summary under the file name, so you can quickly remember what the file is about. And since PDF and TXT summaries are processed directly on your device, your files stay private. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.